Today I'm going to show you how you can earn Litecoin or to earn Litecoin, and you can earn it unlimited. Firstly, you have to come and sign up on this site. After signing up, then you have to sign up on this app. You have to get your Gmail, write your Gmail here. This is the form to sign up. Set the password, then confirm your password. After the registration, now let's sign in to see how it goes. Here you enter your Gmail, then you put your password there, your already created password. Then you click I'm not a robot. After, just to put it, then you are a human being. After, then you log in. Okay, then after you have logged in, here you come to the site. Here you come to the site. Now you can see, as you can see, my account balance is 00 naira now. Now let me show you how you can get more of it to prove maybe the site is paying or not. Now you can go to here, then you see the short links. Let's see how much they are going to pay me for one short link. Now they are going. Then you visit the short link. After you visit the short link, you solve some anti-bot link. If you solve them correctly, they are going to pay you. Let's go to this one. Let's say 5 plus 6, that's 11. Then you choose 11 here. Then the second one said 3 plus 4, that's 7. Then you press the 7 here. While the last one said 2 plus 4, which is 6. And you select the 6 there. After then you press continue. It show you here. Then you have to check this site. You have to check it for 15 seconds. After the 15 seconds, it will unlock the chap. Then you will be rewarded the bonus. Now I click. They say you can open it for 15 seconds, and let's wait for 15 seconds to see maybe they are going to pay. Very good job. Wow, see 500,000 coin have been added to your account. Now let's go and check the balance. Maybe the coins has been added to the balance. Press OK. Press 3 coin here. Then I go to dashboard. See, they've already 500,000 has already been added. If this video have helped you, do more way, subscribe, click the link button and turn off your notification.